Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can fix payment method decline in Uber. Now, this is quite a random issue that Uber passengers get. So to go about this is that you have to have, okay, you're going to have the screen, right? It's going to say that there's a payment issue. So sorry, this payment method was declined by your financial institution, etc., etc. The main reason for this is that it's either your card has nothing in it, or maybe you're short on funds on that card that you have attached as a payment method to your Uber, or if you check your wallet, you might not have enough Uber cash loaded up in your wallet, and people do mistake this sometimes by having an issue. It's not, it's not a systemic issue. It's not an app issue. It's pretty much a human error issue, because again, if you don't have anything on your Uber Cash wallet, or it's not enough, for example, if your ride is like $50 and then you only have like $32, of course you won't have enough. Or again, you got to check with your financial institutes, your banks and whatnot, your credit card, to see whether or not they're having a system upgrade or system maintenance, so on and so forth. Those are the only ways you can actually go about doing this. Aside from that, it's pretty much on your end. So you need to be mindful of how you go about with your funds with your Uber. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.